Block Blast is a fun and engaging puzzle game that challenges players to match and clear colorful blocks. The game begins with a grid of blocks in various colors. The goal is to clear as many blocks as possible by creating matches of 3 or more blocks of the same color, either horizontally or vertically. To do this, players can tap or swipe to move blocks around the grid and form these matches. Now, when a match is made, the blocks are removed and new ones fall into place, potentially setting off chain reactions. The game becomes more challenging as the grid fills up, and players need to think strategically to avoid being overwhelmed by the blocks. Special blocks can also appear, offering powerful effects like clearing an entire row or column, or even a larger area of blocks. These special blocks are essential for processing through tougher levels. The key to success in Block Blast is planning ahead and anticipating where the blocks will fall next. Players should aim to create larger combos and use special blocks to wisely maximize their score and clear space on the board. With each new level, the complexity increases, offering an exciting and rewarding experience as players work their way through increasingly difficult puzzles. Let me know if this helped.